Today, I'm going to share with you the best time to start planning for retirement. My name is Steven Strickland. I'm a certified financial planner and the president of Wise Wealth. I've been helping people plan for retirement for over 15 years. And today, I want to help you by talking about the best time to start planning for retirement. This might be the shortest and easiest video ever. The time to start planning for retirement is now. The time to start saving and investing is now. There is nothing more valuable than time when it comes to investing and planning. It's never too soon to start planning. If you're 20 years old, start now. If you're 40 years old, start now. If you're 60 years old, start now. Everyone needs a plan, and you need one now. When I say a plan, what do I mean? A plan is something that is written down and is based on your goals and the answer to the 4 questions I talked about in my last video. A plan is not an investment or a 401k or an insurance policy. All those things are important and fit into a plan, but a plan is a written guide or a visual GPS. So what does a plan do for you? Number one, it provides clarity. It's like we all love putting the maps in our phone. You put your starting point and you put your ending point, and the GPS does the rest. And that's what a plan does for you. It gives you clarity. Number two, it tells you what you need to be saving and how much you need to be earning. In other words, it tells you how to get there, just like a GPS. Number three, it provides a great deal peace of mind. I don't know about you, but sometimes I go to a new town, a new place, and I don't even have to know anything about the area. I can type it in the GPS where I'm at now, where I want to go. It tells me how to get there, and I don't have to worry about anything. Just follow the directions. And that is what a plan does for everyone. That's why you need one. No matter where you are in the process of planning for retirement, you need to know if you are on track. Are you on pace, like an estimated time of arrival to reach your goals? The only way to do that is with a written retirement plan. I can help you with that. Feel free to reach out. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button for more content just like this. I will be releasing videos at least twice per month. My passion is to guide people on the path to financial significance where they are free to give and serve and enjoy life like never before. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.